What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about Microsoft having a PC cleaner. And this PC cleaner is pretty awesome that manages your computer. So let's get right into that. All right, so Microsoft actually has like a optimizer PC cleaner for Windows 11, and it's on beta. And I'm going to show you guys how to install it, and I'm going to give you like a preview of how it is. I think the time that I kind of noticed this particular cleaner was about last month. I don't know if it's out of beta, but this is how I got it. So we're going to open up your favorite browser. I opened up Microsoft Edge within Windows 11. I'm going to type in the following address, pcmanager.microsoft.com, and I'm going to hit enter. It's going to take you here. We're going to click on the button that says download for free. Awesome, it's free. And once you download it, you're going to locate it. For me, I dropped it inside the downloads folder. I'm going to select it. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to run it as an administrator. So don't freak out if you see Asian kind of characters, because again, this is beta, and I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to accept the license and terms, click install. It's going to start installing, and then done, right? You don't even have to do next. It's just going to install. Click on launch now. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see this beautiful, nice little dialog box that gives you a couple of cool things. Memory usage, temporary files, you're able to boost. I think the boost actually like clears your temp for you. Health check, storage management, process management, startups, cleanup. That's basically what the optimizer does for you. All right, so the first thing that I did was click on health check, and automatically was trying to look for some issues like items to clean up, viruses, any potential issues, startup apps that need to be disabled or whatever. Eventually, it gives you like a rundown of everything. Like, these are the items that it found and I could clear out. Awesome. Like browser cache, Windows cache, system logs. That's awesome. It also gave you a list of apps that are automatically starting at the background, and you're able to disable it. Like off the bat, Microsoft OneDrive is considered high, and that might slow up my boot time. So why not disable it? Cool. Now, if you decide you want to do anything on this part, there's a button at the top that says proceed. So click on proceed, and it's actually going to clean it up. Awesome. Right in the spot. That's pretty cool. So if you go back into the main section of this particular optimizer, we're going to click on startup apps, and this is where you're able to disable the startup apps. So all you got to do is just slide it to your left to turn it off, and you're done. How awesome is that? That's pretty cool. Now, if you go back into the main menu and you click on security, from here, it allows you to scan for any threats. You're able to update Windows, browse for protection. You're able to configure that stuff, pop-up management. This is pretty cool, all in one little solid window. So good job, Microsoft. I'm wondering when you're going to release this in public beta. You probably already did, because again, the last time that I did this was last month, November 3rd. And if it is out, that's pretty cool. If it's not out and you guys want to test it out, this is how you retrieve it. Just go to that website, download it, and install it, and start playing around with it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.